Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks, where we try to make AI accessible, fun for everybody. So it's been lots of huge, big announcements in AI, but so we're gonna probably break things up into do a couple little videos. So today we're gonna look at ChatGPT's Mac App, so their first desktop app that's rolling out to everybody right now, and I was lucky enough to get some access, so I thought we'd just take a few minutes and give it a spin and take it for a little tour. So alright, so this is the side panel, so we're not going to open that up because that is my chat history. But if you click up here on the model here, we can see I've got access to GPT 4.0, GPT 4, GPT 3.5, and then you got access to your GPTs, so we can click on one of these here and get get access to those GPTs, and we can expand out and see all the different ones that I have here, and then we get into the GPT Store. Let's see what that looks like. So pretty much similar to the web app. So the GPTs I've made, we can search, which is cool. So kind of nice there, and we still got our file picker, but we can actually take a photo. Let's say if we're gonna take a picture of me. Oh my god. So you can actually use your camera. Oh, let's see what is going on in this picture. Let's see if it oh wait, I'm in the GPT. Oh, okay. Bearded man with glasses, and he's seen to appears to be a home office or a personal workspace. Yeah, we got a stationary bike over there. All right, very cool. And let's see here. We got temporary chats. Let's go back to 4.0, so we can take a photo, which you just saw. We can also take a screenshot of. Oh, I took my second monitor there, so you can take a screenshot. You can also upload a photo and upload a file like you can on the web. The screenshot thing is interesting. That could be cool. And we've also got, we can dictate a message, and then also the voice experience, which looks like it's still the old version. We don't think we have access to that new one yet. So let's see if we can exit out of that. And in the menu bar, and you can see there's a couple little settings and a couple little options here. And let's see if we pull up our settings. Not much in settings. So that's pretty much it. I think some of the voice features, we'll obviously kind of change how this goes. The screenshot stuff, taking the picture stuff could be interesting. I think just also, depending on what project you're working on, not having a web browser open could be helpful, and there could be definitely some different functionality that they can kind of tie into down the road. So I'm excited to have this be in the dock and be part of the workflow, and we'll see. Like I said, we'll see when the voice functionality comes out. But that's just a quick little tour of the Mac app. It's been pretty performant so far, and it's been pretty good. And they've already put out a couple of updates, so we'll see what happens in the future. But thanks for stopping by, everybody. We just wanted to take a quick peek at that today, and we'll see you next time.